A choco pie is a snack cake consisting of two small round layers of cake with marshmallow filling and chocolate covering. The term originated in America but is now also used widely in South Korea, Japan, and many other countries as either a brand name or generic term. We know that in many households in New York and the surrounding areas, pie is a staple to have for the holidays. If you are making a pie yourself, it is important to remember that fruit pit should never go down the garbage disposal. If you have compost, throw them in there. If not, just toss them in the trash.